Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can give nicknames to your Instagram DMs. So this is a new feature on Instagram where you can now customize names across DMs by adding a nickname for yourself or friends. So the nicknames only appear in your DM chats and won't change your username anywhere else on the Instagram. So by using nicknames in here, you can set up more personalized DMs with your friends. So if you want to create your nicknames with your friends, you can just follow my steps in here. So let's just launch the Instagram app, and here you can open your profile. Click on, sorry, go to your DMs by clicking on this messenger icon at the top right corner, and then choose the conversations or that you want to change or give nicknames. For example, this one, and then you can click on the username at the top, and there will be this option nicknames. So you can just click on this, and nicknames are only displayed on this chat. Change who can edit your nickname. So in here you can also set who can change your nickname: everyone in this chat, people you follow, or only you. So I'm going to just go with people you follow, which is the default settings. And now to give nicknames, you can just choose whether you want to give nicknames to yourself or to your friends. So for example, I'm going to just go with my friends in here, and here you can change the nicknames to that you want. For example, like this, and after that you can click on done, but you need to know that everyone in the chat will see this nickname. So when you change the nickname of the person, that person will be notified. Click on done, and now it has been changed. If you want to change it again, you can easily click on this again, and you can reset it and tap on done again. So let's try the new feature on Instagram. You can add nicknames to yourself or your friends to make it more personal, your DM. So don't forget to click on the like. If you have any question, you can also leave a comment, drop the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more Instagram tutorials and hacks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.